Hey gang. I'm Fahaam, your financial freedom guru. Let's turn your dreams into billionaire success stories. Imagine making money by using your creativity, designing cool logos, social media posts, business cards, and websites. That's exactly what a graphic design business is all about. Every single business out there needs good design. Whether it's a small bakery, a big brand, or an online store, they all need eye-catching designs to attract customers. And guess what? They're willing to pay good money for it. The best part? You don't need a degree. You don't even need to be an expert on day one. You just need the right tools, some creativity, and a plan to get clients. And I'm breaking it all down for you right now. First things first, you need to learn the basics of graphic design. You don't have to be the next Picasso, but you do need to understand colors, fonts, layouts, and how to make things look good. The easiest way to start is by using free tools like Canva. It's super beginner friendly and has templates for almost everything. But if you want to take it to the next level, you'll need professional software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or Affinity Designer. These tools will help you create high quality designs that people will pay more for. Don't stress if you've never used them before. YouTube is filled with free tutorials that teach you step by step. Once you know how to design, it's time to set up your business. You don't need an office. You don't even need a fancy website at the start. You just need an online presence where people can see your work. Set up an Instagram page, a Facebook page, and a LinkedIn profile. Post your designs, show off your creativity, and start networking. If you have a little budget, create a simple website using Wix or Squarespace to showcase your portfolio. But don't wait for perfection, just start putting your work out there. Now, let's talk about the fun part, getting paid. There are different ways to make money as a graphic designer. You can offer freelance services, where businesses pay you per project. You can create templates and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market. You can start a print-on-demand store, designing t-shirts, mugs, and posters. Or, you can build a brand and offer monthly design packages to businesses that always need new content. The key is to start with one income stream, master it, and then add more. Finding clients is where most people get stuck. But I'm going to give you a few tricks to make it easy. First, offer your services to friends and family. Everyone knows someone who needs a logo or a business card. Next, join Facebook groups for small business owners and offer your services. People in these groups are always looking for affordable designers. Then, go on Fiverr and Upwork, set up a profile, and start getting freelance work. Another great trick is to walk into local businesses and offer them a free sample. Show them a better version of their current design, and they'll be more likely to hire you. If you stay consistent, you'll have more clients than you can handle. Let's break down the money part because this is where things get exciting. As a beginner, you can charge anywhere from $50 to $200 for a simple logo. As you gain experience, that number can go up to $1,000 or more. Social media post designs can go for $10 to $50 each, but if you offer a package deal of 30 posts per month, you can charge $500 or more. Website designs can go from $500 to $5,000, depending on the complexity. If you work with 5 clients a month, charging just $500 each, that's $2,500 per month. And once you have a steady flow of clients, you can scale by hiring other designers and focusing on managing the business. The best thing about a graphic design business is that you don't need to spend a lot to start. If you already have a laptop, you can begin with free tools. As you make money, invest in better software, a graphic tablet, and maybe even a better computer. Your biggest investment will be time, learning the skills, building your portfolio, and finding clients. But once you do, the income potential is unlimited. Now, let's talk about standing out from the competition. The design world is full of people offering cheap services, but if you want to make real money, you need to be different. First, pick a niche. Instead of trying to design everything for everyone, specialize in one area. Maybe you become the go-to designer for real estate agents, or you specialize in creating social media content for fitness influencers. Second, always over-deliver. If a client asks for 3 logo options, give them 5. If they pay for a simple design, add a little extra detail to make it pop. Word of mouth is powerful, and happy clients will bring you more business. One of the biggest mistakes new designers make is underpricing their work. Don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. The right clients will pay for quality. It's better to have 5 high-paying clients than 20 low-paying ones that drain your time. Also, keep upgrading your skills. The more you know, the more you can charge. Once your business is making money, think about automation. Instead of designing everything from scratch, create design templates that clients can buy and use themselves. This way, you make money even when you're not working. You can also build a team, hire other designers, and turn your one-person hustle into a full-scale design agency. And here's a bonus tip: learn how to market yourself. Being a great designer isn't enough. You need to know how to sell. Learn about branding, social media marketing, and email marketing. The better you promote yourself, the more clients you'll attract. So, is starting a graphic design business worth it? Absolutely. It's low cost, high profit, and flexible. You can do it from anywhere in the world, work with clients you love, and create financial freedom doing something creative and fun. But like any business, success won't happen overnight. Stay consistent, keep improving, and never stop learning. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you ready to start your graphic design business? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more financial freedom tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss a money-making idea. This is Fahaam, helping you build your dream life.